If you're in the market for the best gaming monitor, there could be only one. QD-OLED, and this one is from Philips. Let's unbox it.
It has a toolless design. You can do it in basically 2 minutes. Super easy and intuitive. 34 curved display QD-OLED with 175 Hz, 178 degrees curved. Also has a VESA mount if you want to like wall mount it, which is super cool. USB, couple of HDMIs and DisplayPort. All cables are included and tilt options are basically unlimited. You can do everything with it. How crazy is that? Super cool. Also has an ambilight and joystick.
Service super intuitive. We have HDR option, even HDR 1000 max. Game, well, ambient light, ambiglow it says. Oh. Inputs, audio, system with PIP, picture-in-picture, setup, and close. So do remember in the setup there's some crucial features like OLED panel care. Try keep this all on to prevent burning. Also panel information, mine is 50 hours. Yeah. And time after pixel refresh is 4 hours. After every 4 hours it will refresh those pixels. Which is reflections a little bit. This is a 21:9, so all those reflections will be squeezed. Quality is just amazing. Wow, such a screen. Ambilight will of course follow. Let me shuffle through the colors.
Prison systems are breaking down like that elevator back there. Just stay out of their line of sight and you should be able to sneak by.
No activity detected.
Can't let them see me.
No movement detected.
How? Got him! And G.SKILL is amazing. Real. Ah! Cyberpunk! Wow, such a cool experience and wide angle. Whoa. Spider-Man, whatsoever is Spider King. Look out. Here comes this Spider-Man. Woo! So what do you think? Let me know in the comments below. I think it's super cool. Link in the description. See you next video. Bye.